As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're looking at two propane grills, the Charbroil Grill2Go X200 and the Nexgrill Deluxe 2-burner. First impression? The Charbroil seems way more portable.
Definitely. The Grill2Go is only 20 pounds, while the Nexgrill is a hefty 70 pounds. But the Nexgrill boasts a much larger cooking area, 401 square inches compared to the Charbroil's 200.
Right, so Grill2Go is more for tailgating small trips, while the Nexgrill is for bigger backyard barbecues. What about power?
The Nexgrill throws out 28,000 BTUs with its two burners, and the Charbroil only puts out 9,500 from its single burner. So the Nexgrill should heat up faster and maintain a higher temperature, potentially.
Potentially being the key word. The Charbroil uses TRU infrared cooking, which promises even heating and fewer flare-ups. That's a big plus.
Good point. The Nexgrill uses angled flame tamers, which aim to do the same thing, but TRU infrared is a selling point for Charbroil, I will admit, though the Nexgrill has porcelain-coated cast iron grates, which should also distribute heat pretty well and clean up nicely.
Cleaning is always a plus. Speaking of features, the Nexgrill has foldable side tables, which is handy for prepping and storage. Does the Charbroil have that?
Nope, it's a pretty basic tabletop grill. The Nexgrill also has a thermometer built into the lid, which is useful, and it can be converted to natural gas, which is a nice option.
Okay, so Nexgrill is more versatile. But how about the price?
The Charbroil is currently around $148, and the Nexgrill is about $266, so a significant price difference.
Yeah, almost double. So it boils down to what you need. Portable and affordable? Charbroil. More cooking space, features, and power? Nexgrill.
Exactly. And don't forget, the Charbroil runs on those small propane tanks, while the Nexgrill will likely need a larger refillable tank, so there's that to consider too.
Good call. Okay, I think I have a good handle on the differences now. Thanks. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.